Hello friends, I'm Vamsi Krishna. Welcome to my channel. So heroes name వచ్చేసి so today I'm going to tell about the entire second year, the max to be 7 marks important questions, the 2021 IPP. So friends, this is the most important intermediate second year max 2B. అంటే మ్యాథ్స్ 2B విషయంలో సో ఇన్ దిస్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ 2B పేపర్ what are the 7 marks where we need to concentrate? Intermediate second year is very important to each and every student. So friends, I want to say that I request all the friends and students to watch the video completely regarding this video. This topic is very important for the intermediate second year students. We are going to discuss about Maths 2B paper. In Maths 2B paper, the 7 marks are very important. So 7 marks are very important means what? So what kind of questions can we expect in the final examination of public exam? So we need to expect an important questions. The most important concepts. The friends, the most I want to say is you need to concentrate. Students need to concentrate on the topics in which they feel very easy. The first and most important point I want to say is there are some tips and tricks you need to follow. If you follow some tips and tricks, you can easily get 75 out of 75 without any doubt. For this, I request all the friends to watch the video completely. So here in this inter-secondary maths 2B, what are the concepts we need to, what are the topics, what are the chapters especially we need to concentrate? Whether the student, it might be an average student or a below average student, the student who are unable to understand this maths 2B paper, the student who are unable to understand the concepts in this maths 2B, for them this particular special video. The only one thing friends, the 7 marks are very important as I already told you before. So what kind of topics you need to concentrate, what kind of topics on this topic, on which topic you need to mainly focus to get a full score, full marks in maths 2B. Suppose if we consider some chapters are there like circles, parabola, indefinite integral, definite integral. So these kinds of chapters are there. So maths 2B, one of the most important subjects, one of the most important paper intermediate second year. Friends, here I am going to tell, let us expect. So it's not difficult friends. I want to say is, it's not difficult to get good score. You can easily get 100 out of 100. The 100 out of 100 marks is very easy. The only thing is understanding the concept. Understanding the concept only the thing where you will get a full marks, my dear friends. If you don't understand the concept, if you don't just by heart and butify and just something, if you go on writing in the book or something else, you will never score 100 out of 100. The only thing is getting success in mathematics is nothing but the formulas. The formulas are very important friends, first point. If you are well perfect with the formulas in mathematics 2B, it is very dead easy to get a very good score. Each and every 7 out of 7, 75 out of 75, 100 out of 100 marks is guaranteed if you are well perfect with the formulas. So friends, here for example, if you take a chapter like circles, the second thing is the indefinite integral, very important. Indefinite integral is one of the chapter in maths 2B which gives, I think, which gives a very good weightage of marks. If you are well perfect in indefinite integral, you are going to get a very good marks. The only thing is understand the concept. Practice my dear friends, practice. The practice is only the solution where you can get success in mathematics subject in the public exam. Indefinite integral, friends. Indefinite integrals. Very, very important and interesting chapter also. It's very easy and interesting chapter in Maths 2B. So integration. This is going to be integration. Integral chapter. Indefinite integral chapter. There is also a definite integral, but indefinite. What is integral of x dx? Let us discuss. As I already told you about 7 marks, but before going to 7 marks, I want to ask you, what is integral x dx, friends? Can you tell me what is integral x dx? So many students, this very small question, which is going to be very short answers, long answers, and then very short answers questions, integral x dx. So many students will be getting confusion and they do not know what is the value of integral x dx. It's very easy, simple, friends. It's nothing else. Just if you go with this formula, integral x power n is what? Integral x power n is nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. What is this? Integral x power n dx is nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. What is plus c? C is nothing but a constant. This is nothing but a formula. If you are well perfect, this is a formula. If you are well perfect with the formula by practicing, you are the successful, you are the success person, you are the success student in intermediate. Either it might be intermediate or 10th class, not like that. But getting a success in mathematics, practice is the key. Practice is the secret. Practice is the trick. Practice is the trick. Practice. If you practice in the subject, you are going to get success. Continuously practicing. So very easy, friends. Integral x power n dx is what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Let us expect what is integral x dx. I want to know. Let us expect integral x is x power 1 dx. Let us expect like that. So x power n plus, let us expect. Compare this problem with x power n dx. So integral x, I am writing this as x power 1 dx and comparing this problem with the formula x power n dx. That's nothing but integral x power n dx is nothing but x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. That's nothing but x square by 2 plus c. It's very easy. There's only the thing is how you understand, how you do the problem, how you concentrate on the mathematics by practicing the subject. If you are well perfect by practicing the subject, practice each and every formula, each and every sum. Short answers, very short answers, or long answers, it might be anything. Just go on practice. Practice is only the solution. Practice is only the secret. Practice is only the goal to get 100 by 100 marks. Maths is only for practicing, not for learning. Maths is not for learning, it is only for practicing. Means maths is for learning also, but by practicing continuously more and more times, it will be those formulas, whatever the formulas are there, that particular formulas will be inserted into our brain so that you can easily, when you go to the final examination, when you go to the final public exam, you can easily do any kind of problem easily and you can easily get very good marks. So friends, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that you will get my updated next videos. Thank you so much.